Stop. I'm kidding.
You lick my mouth.
That's my dog.
Oh, Sam.
Sam.
Sam wants to love it.
Hey, Sammy. Hey, buddy. Come here. Come here.
Come here.
Oh, look at
I think he likes you.
I think that's like his way of telling you he loves you. My dog nibbles my nose. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Oh.
Sam wants to be in this.
Ew. Ew.
Just let her lick you.
It's all over.
Cinnamon. Hey, baby. Come here. Hey, Sammy. You're did twice.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my gosh.
Here's another third time.
Third time's the charm.
Third time's the charm. Let him lick you. Let him lick you.
Oh, he's pulling my hair.
Where are you going?
Sammy, so cute.
Why is she being like that?
She's like calling someone. Sam, the dog's breath smells like poop.
What? What'd you say?
Cinnamon stuff.
Oh, you're so
I got the big deer right here for you.
I have a side view. She's laughing so hard she's crying. I think that's funny.
I have more my nose now.
Hey. And that was my boobies.
Really?
Yeah.
Just seen the big old whopper I had in my
Oh, the whopper.
Here, let me
Ew, the booger you mean?
Oh, my God.